No job is too big, no pup is too small. Great work, pup! Here's your very own pup pad. A call from Alex. Look, Alex needs our help. With your pup pad, you can visit the people of Adventure Bay. Let's help Alex. Tap on the Alex button to go. We're on a roll. Alex lost his favorite super trike. Can you find it? Other pups can help on this mission. Tap on the paw button to pick a pup. All right, pup. Time to find Alex's super trike. That's it. It's the super trike. Let's bring it back to Alex. Thank you, pup. Alex will be able to zoom around town again. Water the flowers with Marshall and watch them grow. Oops! A fire hydrant has lost its red cap. Can you find it? Yikes! The water from that fire hydrant.
Let's roll with Thomas and Friends Magical Tracks. Come and play exciting minigames with me and my friends Percy, Connor.
The hydrant is flooding the street. You did it, pup! Uh-oh, where's the cap of that fire hydrant? Bring the red cap to the fire hydrant to fix it. Bring the red cap to the fire hydrant to fix it. Keep going, pup. Just a few more treats to get your prize. There it is! Possum! Chase! A broken lamppost. Do you see it? You can do it, pup. Way to go, pup. Nice! Something cool to win next. This looks cool. Can't wait to see you play with it. Good job, pup! Look, a songbird. Can you fix its house? Just a little more. Nice work, pup! Almost there. Beautiful. You got it! Pup-tacular! You're the fastest pup in town. Drive over these pads to get a speed boost. Katie's calling. Right on, pup! Whoa! You can build a sandcastle here. Just bring any sand bucket you find to the castle platform. Patrol, to the lookout! Thanks for hurrying, pups! A storm passed over Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped, and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need you to round up the stray chickens with your megaphone. All right! Paw Patrol is on a roll. Chase in, cluck cluck, run amok. This is the chicken coop. Find all the chickens and bring them back to the coop. Don't worry if they split up. You can go back and get them later. Look around. Some chickens could be hidden. Hey, it's Chickaletta. Hi, Chickaletta. Great work, pups. Farmer Yumi will be happy. You're really good pups. Have some pup treats. A call from Alex. Metal belongs in the recycling bin. This looks like it goes in the garbage bin.
More pups are waiting to join up and help! Add another to the team to access more prizes!
Almost there, pup. Find a few pup treats to win a prize. Incredible! Pause it. Step onto the circle to catch the ball. Catch all the balls to win. Good luck! Amazing! Wow! Neat! You got it, pup!
The more pups you add, the more prizes you'll win! Cool! A new prize to win! Let's go to the Dino Wild! Dino Chase!
Chase! There! Mayor Goodway has a request. Mayor Goodway has lost her purse. Can you find the pink purse? Over there! It looks like the mayor. Good find, pup. Let's bring it back to the mayor. Mayor Goodway is relieved that you found her purse.